Saidu here. Network security is a very serious topic in the world right now, as we are connected more than ever before. Almost everything we do in our lives, in one way or the other, inclined to the internet. And if you think of it, our transportation system, health facilities, education, power, communication system like the social media, our industries, etc., do generate an enormous amount of data, which are extremely valuable. In an article from theeconomist.com called it the oil of digital era, in view of the amount of revenue generated by the big tech giant companies and even the smaller ones that process such data. And with the large amount of data generated by the companies comes a great responsibility to protect it. Companies and organizations are doing everything in their power to fight against cyber attacks with increasing security measures. By using the latest technology, skillful and capable individuals or professionals in order to protect their business and customers involved. However, despite the effort put in place by these companies and professionals alike to win the fight, it was reported by the New York Times that a stunning statistic is reverberating in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity Ventures prediction that there will be 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally by 2021, up from 1 million positions in 2014. Now, that's very alarming considering the fact that we are now in 2020. The need for cybersecurity professional doesn't only rely on having a dedicated cybersecurity professional or expert. Research shows that every IT professional has to be security oriented individual in order to protect system applications, data, devices, and people. Another important study showed that presently there is no problem of unemployment. Some even highlighted that in cybersecurity field there is a percent unemployment rate. So, just like with every other job in IT field or job in general, there are some skills to have for you to be successful in cybersecurity, which may or may not lead to certificates. I know for sure that this is debatable. Now, a lot of skills involve having to take some training courses that lead to certification exams. Yet, there are some that doesn't require that certification but only the skills. And let's talk about things you need to know before pursuing a career in cybersecurity. Number one, the desire to learn. Now, this is a key. It should be your mindset. You should have the enormous desire to want to know more, as advancement in technology waits for no one. You have to be learning continuously on how to deal with the latest and emerging threats, how to stay safe, and how to protect your organization. So, the desire to learn and grow has to be in your DNA. The second point, teamwork. Most often than not, you will not be the only one working in the organization, except if it is a small company or startup. So you need to be able to work in a team and bring value to that team by being ready to ask questions and share expert knowledge on the subject matter. Now, let's talk about the soft skills. Knowledge of operating system. This is the very basic step in getting you up and running in your cybersecurity career. The knowledge of various operating systems like Linux with their different distros and Windows operating system, etc. So knowing the operating system architecture, administration, and management is essential. Kali Linux is a very powerful tool for cybersecurity professionals. There is Wireshark, you have Nmap, and etc. So these are tools that you should be from networking aspect. Soft networking skills will do for a start, like configuring the host IP address using the ping command, etc. Now, just the basic stuff as you are not pursuing career in networking. However, more networking stuffs and setting up system security like the firewall will be required as you progress in the field. There is a very thin line between a hacker and a cybersecurity professional. In fact, very thin so much that they share almost every skills with each other. The only habit they have differently is intention. One is devoted in using his or her skills in doing good, which is often referred to as an ethical or white hat hacker. The other is using the skills to cause harm or other bad deeds, also known as black hat hacker or simply hacker. And with that being said, in pursuing a career in cybersecurity, one has to be extremely careful not to become black hat hacker in the process by obeying the rules and regulation of the law. maintaining the privacy of people and or organizations. Now, my advice is only break into a system with clear permissions or consent of the owner. Now, cybersecurity is an interesting path to follow as long as you have the drive and motives to do it and keep up with the fast-paced advancement in technology, then you should be fine. Although not everybody is the same. According to a report by Exabeam's 2018 Cybersecurity Salary and Jobs Report, overall 83% said they are satisfied with their jobs, while only 9% reported they are unsatisfied, which is beyond impressive if you ask me. Now this is a very rewarding career path in terms of salary earned, though the total amount earned highly depend on your location or the country you are working, the company you are working with, skills and experience. Salary can also be an influence on determining the job satisfaction by professionals. For example, the Exabeam report found that roles such as Chief Security Inspector or CISO for short and security consultant are among the top earners at $175,000 to $200,000 annually. They also are the most satisfied with their current salary. Others like security analysts, system and security administrators report some of the lowest median incomes, which start at $50,000 to $75,000, along with security operation centers. Where do you start? Certification and training to get you started. One is CompTIA Security Plus. This is a very entry-level certification to kickstart your career. I will have links to their site to know more about this training. The second one is the Cisco Certified Network Associate Cyber Operations. This is a very good certification too, as it covers a lot of aspects in cybersecurity. The link to Cisco's site will also be in the description below. With either of these two certification and self-discipline, you should be able to start your journey in cybersecurity. I hope this has been informative for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.